Hi, it's Erin LaGrassa with Money Matters AZ, and today I'm going to show you how to enter an expense in QuickBooks Online. The first step would be to click the plus menu in the top right hand corner. Under Vendors, click Expense. From the Choose a Payee box, let's select our vendor. Target. Now we want to make sure wherever we purchase the item, what account do we use? Is it a credit card, a checking account? What account is used? Petty cash? Select that account right here. We're going to use checking. The date, also important. Say it was September 4th. And the payment method. Let's say that I used my credit card, debit card basically. Now, if you have a couple different businesses or locations, you can select your location over here. Account details. Below are item details. So let's say it's cost of goods sold. Now, it's important to select cost of goods sold if it's directly related to your income. For example, you will not incur this expense unless you generate income. So if you are a service business, maybe you're paying contractors or subcontractors, or maybe supplies. Or if you're an inventory business, you're purchasing the products that you need to make your item, like maybe you make skateboards and you need to purchase the wood and the glue and the wheels, etc. That would be cost of goods sold. If not, you'll choose an expense, which say we call it job supplies. And you can do a description if you'd like with the stuff that you brought. Purchased, I would say do it. Maybe you bought a lamp for Smith room, I don't know. I would copy that description and also place it in the memo. That is just for searching purposes down the line. Say it was for $50. And let's say you mark it billable because you're going to charge a customer for this lamp that you purchased. And you're going to mark it up 30%. And you're going to select your customer. That would be Rachel Knight. And class, I would suggest classing things if you want to track certain jobs. So let's say you are an interior designer and you're doing a house for Terry Smith, then every single expense that you enter for Terry Smith, you want to class it under Terry Smith. Every invoice, you'll also class it because then we can pull up a profit and loss report for just that job. Okay, so $50, and I'm going to save and close. Okay. Now, let's say you're going to pay an expense with a check. So, plus menu, click check, because I'm writing a check for this expense. I'm going to choose my vendor. I'm going to choose the account to which the money is going to come out of, my checking account. I'm going to enter my check number right here, check number 1000. I can print it later if I have the print option set up in QuickBooks. Otherwise, I'm going to write the check here right now, select the location, and I'm just going to call this cost of goods sold because I'm buying wood for skateboard, and it's going to be $3,000, and it's going to be billable, and I'm not going to market anything. I just want the customer to pay just a flat out $3,000, and I'm going to decide that customer is for George, and the class is whatever class it is, Terry Smith. And I'm going to save and close that.